Hello, scholars. Welcome. Mr. Hinkle here. And in this video, I am going to show you how to navigate through the GeoTours file in order to locate yourself at the correct assignment and be able to find the question that is associated with the worksheets that are provided via Canvas. Now, this video is assuming that you have downloaded Google Earth, downloaded the KMZ file for GeoTours, added it to Google Earth, and then moved it from temporary to My Places so that every time you open Google Earth, you can access the necessary files through Google Earth Pro on desktop. If not, please go watch my video. I do a step-by-step tutorial in order to get us here. So this is really part 2 of this series, showing us how to get to the questions. So let's do that. Get to a little screen share. Aha, this is Yosemite, one of my favorite places in the world. We'll get to see it on some of our geo tours, but it's a great place for us to start. So over here, geo tours 2E. Notice there's a box to the left. I can click it. It loads all the information, but I do not want to do that. So let's unclick it, remove the info. Now, to the left of the box is an arrow pointing to the right. If I click the arrow, it drops down subfiles. GeoTours Workbook 2E. Okay, let's click the arrow again. And there we have more options, more subfiles to go through. Welcome, section 1, section 2, section 3. Where all of your questions are going to be located is in section 2. So I'll click the arrow next to that, and I've got access to all of the different GeoTours assignments that we will be working on: Earth and Sky, plate tectonics, minerals, igneous, volcano, sedimentary, so on and so forth. We will do all of them. These are the virtual field trips with the questions in these folders that we'll be working on. So let's start with Earth and Sky. Now I'm going to click the box to the left and it drops it down. And here we see all 18 of the problems. Great. Well, we want to find problem 1. So what we will do is we'll click the box only to the left of problem 1. Now, nothing happened. But what I want to give you is a little clue for this very first, or whenever we get to the Earth and Sky Universe assignment in your course. There's this navigation bar at the top with all kinds of different icons. And this one, with the Jupiter sign on it, switches between Earth, Sky, Mars, and Moon. You want to go to the Moon? Let's go. Whoa, cool. Do you want to go to Mars? Well, let's go to Sky for right now. So find the icon, go to Sky. And this takes us out into the universe. And is bringing us into the Pinwheel Galaxy. All right, very cool. This is very cool. This is a spiral galaxy, and we're looking at billions of stars clustered together. Okay, so I need to drop it down again over here, back to section 2, back to Earth and Sky, click on problem 1, and then I will hover over problem 1, and I'll use my pointer, and I will double click. Now, this takes me to the location of problem 1. Excellent. And here we see the pillars of creation, a stellar nebula. This is where stars are born. And you will use the associated assignment that's located within your Canvas modules to answer the question. But this is how you get to the Google Earth side of things. Now, say you've answered question number 1 and you want to go to question number 2. Unclick problem 1, click problem 2, the box next to it, and then double click where it says problem 2, and then we fly across the universe and we end up at a star. You can zoom in here. You can click, read the information. This is how you'll answer the questions. The questions will be in the GeoTours assignment. This is just GeoTours navigation on Google Earth. We can do this again and again. Unclick problem 2, click problem 3. We'll fly to the next location. I think you might be getting a hang of it, but this is the navigation from point to point. We can zoom in here. We're at another star. Cool. Can click on the information. Oh, this one's a red giant. Okay, tell me more. Awesome. Let's do this one more time. Problem 4, double click. Oh, I guess we don't need that anymore. Oh, it's moving quick. And we are in the Ghost Nebula, another stellar, the Little Ghost Nebula, another stellar nursery where stars are born. Okay, cool. So this is how you navigate from problem to problem in the GeoTours file using Google Earth Pro. Now, the last thing that I want you to do, and this is the assignment for you, is to take a screenshot. On Mac, it's the screenshot function. I think on PC, on Dell, it might be the snipping tool, but take a screenshot here. And then you will submit that screenshot of Google Earth and the Little Ghost Nebula with the place marker on it for credit. And this is how I know that you were able to successfully navigate from problem to problem. You could toggle between Earth, sky, Mars, moon. In this case, we're in sky. And that you can load the specific problem in the specific location that you will need to complete your assignment. Excellent. Okay, so let's recap what we did today. We navigated through the KMZ file for GeoTours. We went from zoomed out GeoTours 2E to the workbook to section 2 to folder A for the assignment Earth and Sky. Then we navigated from question 1, question 2, problem 3, problem 4 to get to the Little Ghost Nebula. And your assignment is to take a screenshot of the Little Ghost Nebula in Google Earth and submit that for credit. That way, I know you have successfully understood how to navigate through the GeoTours KMZ and you're set up for your very first assignment. All right. If you need anything, please message me. Otherwise, watch the video again, step-by-step directions, and I will see you in the next one.